Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Salesforce effectively. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Using Salesforce effectively can significantly enhance your organization's sales, customer service, marketing, and overall customer relationship management or CRM. And one of the best practices and strategies for making the most out of your Salesforce is customizing the Salesforce to fit your business needs. Now, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the setup menu. Click on that and there's going to be an option that says create custom objects. That's going to be under object manager. You can create custom objects right here. Now, if you use this custom object, you see, you can use that to manage data that doesn't fit into the standard objects, right? Like tracking unique business processes and all of that. You can put in the description, right? And from here, all I have to do is click on save, right? Make sure that the information is correct. And after that, you can also go to the app launcher and type in Lightning Builder, if you can see that. If you don't, just go to the home page. You see the Lightning App Builder. I want you to click on it. And of course, you can design and configure custom home pages if you click on the Create New View. All right. This is one of the best handy feature of Salesforce because the Lightning App Builder is the section wherein you can create a page, an app page, a home page, forecasts page, record page, and even the email application pane. For example, if you wanted to have the home page, you can put in something like this, right? You can custom fit with 3 header and regions, home template, 1 region, 2 columns, Lightning Home Flexi page, template for desktop form factor, a seller home, and of course a standard home page depending on your preferences and needs, right? If you click on that, you have all of these elements that you can use. Accordion, app launcher, all right? Assistant, chatter feed, and of course, the Einstein next best action. Now, if you wanted to get more on the App Exchange, if you click on it, go to the App Exchange. This is one of the best features of Salesforce. You can integrate a lot of third-party solutions to your business. Say, for example, AlgoWorks, Affinity, Explore Labs, Connect, and Build Your Skills. So there's a lot. Before that, you need to log in so you can access all of the features without limitation. After that, now while creating all of these, of course, you can put in so many information. And if we have the chance to shrink to view, 100% and a lot more. Once you're happy with that, all you're going to do is click on save. And that's it. All right. Click on activate to see that your users can see the visibility. Now, another option is using the Einstein AI Insights. When you go to the home page, click on the app launcher. Type in Einstein, if you can see that. If you don't, go to the upper right corner where you can see the setup. Go to home page and type in Einstein. All right. You see, these are some of the options for you. You can use the Einstein Analytics here. Now, the Einstein Analytics are used to get predictive insights, such as predicting which leads are most likely to convert or which opportunities are at risk, all right? You can use AI-based lead scoring to automatically prioritize automation and historical data patterns. If you want to watch the demos right here, you can do so. So you can implement chatbots for customer service or automation, or use Einstein Voice Assistant to update records through voice commands. So these are some of the options for you, all right? Now, if you go again to the app launcher and click on sales, you can organize data with standard and custom reports. You see, there's going to be an option here that says dashboard. If you wanted to create a new dashboard so you can build a customized view, all right, to visualize key metrics, sales pipeline, conversion rates, or customer satisfaction scores. Dashboard is a real-time view of performance. You can add another widget here like a chart or table. Select the report. You can choose from this to this one. So you have a lot of information. You can use custom reports to analyze data, segment customers to track sales, performance, and of course, monitor team activities. I'm going to add this one for now. Add another widget here. Maybe this is okay. And then add a widget. You can drag this into that. Add an image right here. Click on the image. Now here you can enhance the management and sales process, all right? Fit with, click on that. So basically this is going to be your dashboard. Now after that, you might want to leverage the reports, because on the reports right here, you can use custom reports to analyze data, segment customers, track sales, performance, and of course, monitor team activities. You can also automate the report delivery to ensure that your team receives regular updates on important KPIs and trends, right? You can define opportunity stages that match your sales process to keep track of where deals are in the pipeline, ensuring a structured approach to closing deals. Click on Generate Report. Click New Report, and you would be able to use this. Say, for example, Accounts, Start Report, Run Report, and the report is going to be under your disposal. Now, if you go to the app launcher again and type in Chatter, you see, basically Chatter is the Salesforce internal social network for team collaboration, sharing updates, deals, or gathering input from colleagues. We have so many options and tutorials about using Chatter. For example, this one, you can put in, say, for example, an image. All right. You can create communities for customers, partners, or employees to facilitate communication and self-service options here. All right. You can ask. And of course, by following these practices, you can leverage Salesforce powerful CRM features to improve sales processes, streamline operations, and provide better customer service. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.